out, guys? Welcome back again, guys. Today we are going to be working on our first to the channel, but not first for me. That's going to be a X1 pocket bike. So the X1 pocket bike and the X2 pocket bikes are very similar. If I were to guess, I would say that the cat eye pocket bike to the X1 is a jump. So it is a jump up. Even though they're the same amount of cc's, the X1 is taller than the cat eye pocket bike, and it does sound a lot more aggressive because it has a different style exhaust on it. So I would definitely consider the X1 a bump from the cat eye pocket bike. Also, the X1 is kind of like the entry bike to all of the X model pocket bikes, which that goes for the X1, the X2, the X18, the X15, the X19, the X22. There's a lot of different styles on there from the X style category pocket bikes, you can say. So this right here is a X1, and we're actually going to be doing two bikes. I picked up one, and that one is going to be a complete color change because it is trashed. Sorry about that, guys. Got cut off there. Anyhow, like I was saying, guys, one of the pocket bikes is completely trashed. It looks like somebody tried to grab some fluorescent paint and just pretty much went at it with it. So we're definitely going to be doing a frame color change and an actual body panel color change as well. The other X1 pocket bike, however, the panel body, which is our plastic body, is in really good condition. It's red, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna leave it that color. It does have some rust, so we are gonna take apart both of them down to the frames and clean them up so that I can paint them both at the same time. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do them both the same color or not. I guess we'll just have to see. You know, when I'm working on it, usually is when the ideas kind of start flowing to me. So I can't say I will, but I can't say I won't. It depends. So we'll kind of put together a video, show you guys exactly what we're going to be working with. I'm not too sure which bikes these are. I think this is 67, 68. I'm not too sure, guys. Anyhow, at the end of every single one of my videos, guys, stay tuned, because at the end of every single one of my videos, I post exactly what's coming next on the next video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's next, that's the bestest place to find it. So make sure you guys stay till the end. At the end of my video, every single video, I'll give you guys a sneak peek to what is next. So guys, I'm gonna prepare these two bikes so I can show you guys what we're gonna be working with, and it's gonna be dope.
Give me something new. I want it back, through and through. Just do it, I'll let you rule. I know you like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. Got power over me. You lock me up, don't wanna leave. Music, the little things. Without you, don't mean a thing. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you.
I'm sorry, we have to interrupt today's video. I'm sure you guys know why. we're all thinking the same thing. Why? Why would you do this to something? Like, why? Why would you do this? Why would you do this? Why, guys? I know this looks red, but this is pink. Why would anyone in their right mind do this? Why? Why would you do this? Oh yeah, by the way, that is a milk cap. Milk cap there. Guys, why? What is going on here? Guys, that's supposed to be a nut. A nut. It is completely stripped, and then they cut a piece there so they can put a flathead screwdriver to turn on the bike. Like, why would you have to do this? So guys, that's gonna be a wrap for our part 1 video to our X1. I know we talked about taking 2 apart, but this bike has a lot of work, as you guys saw on the clip. I've been thinking this entire time I've been taking apart this bike, like, what would be the motive to do something like this, you know? And I'm pretty sure I have a straightforward answer. A lot of the times, these bikes come up on offer up for 50 bucks, 40 bucks, 100 bucks. And people, unexperienced people, what I'm assuming their first intentions are, oh, I'm gonna quick flip this. I know exactly how. And then they do a stupidity like this. They find their nearest, lightest, brightest spray can, and then they just go ham. And they think somebody's gonna like this, right? Then you have that unfortunate dumbass like me that goes and buys this bike, you know? And I don't sell fucking garbage like this. So now I'm gonna have to fix it the right way. So it sucks. It sucks, and I'll tell you why it sucks. It sucks because now I have to do this, and the worst part is I have another one just like this. And I just finished one just like it too. So, yay me. Guys, I need to go lie down. This bike really made me so upset. So, we're gonna end it here on today's video. I'm gonna be getting the paint, the frame, ready for paint. I pulled the whole harness off. I pulled everything off like you guys saw, and we're gonna paint the frame. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do light gray on this because it's already got a very bright color on it. So I'm most likely gonna have to do primer, then the dark gray color. So Jesus Christ, it's still so much to take in, guys. There's so much pink. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you guys around. Peace out, guys. See you guys later.